As we move into our meditation, I invite you to let your breath take you into that calm, peaceful place within you. You may gently close your eyes to shut out any visual distractions. And now follow your breath in and out as you consciously relax your whole body. Maybe just scan your body. See if there's any tightness or density anywhere. And then with your next breath, move it into that area. Saying relax, relax. If thoughts come up, just gently acknowledge them and move your focus back to your breath. Inhaling to a count of 4 or 5. Exhaling twice as long to a count of 8 or 10. Slow inhale, 2, 3, 4, and exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Take in about 3 more breaths in this manner, breathing at a slow, measured pace. And as we know, it's the exhale breath that relaxes you and takes you deeper. Do you have any fear, anxiety, or worry that you're holding on to? Maybe you're not holding on to it. Maybe it's holding on to you. Flitting around in your mind like an annoying fly. Sometimes it sneaks up on you and you don't even know it's there. And then it moves to the forefront of your awareness. Oh, gracious Spirit, help me help myself release those feelings that don't serve me. Sweep out hate and fear, worry and anxiety. In this moment, at this time, you can breathe in and relax, knowing that you are one with the one. You are the eachness of the great allness. God expressing God's individuality as you. As we deny and move out hate and fear, let's replace that void. Let's replace it with love, with peace, grace, joy. Let's replace those feelings of fear in all of their many forms. How do we do that, you might say? A proven practice is to be grateful. Something as simple as practicing gratitude can create better relationships, improve your physical and psychological health, enhance empathy, reduce frustration, help you sleep better, and improve your mental faculties. Simple and scientifically proven. Gratitude makes your life better. I wonder what you're grateful for. Maybe it was greeting this beautiful day with health and well-being. Maybe it's the prosperity that flows through your life. However it is that you choose to define prosperity. Maybe it's having someone to love and knowing that you are loved. I will give you a moment to think on those things that you are grateful for in your life. What filled your heart with gratitude? Imagine that sense of gratitude expanding into your heart with love, filling it. So much love that it can't be contained in your body. See your heart radiating out that love like a beacon of light. Imagine that love caressing those that you love. Imagine that light enveloping those that you love. Those people that you are so very grateful that chose to make this journey with you. Those people that you hold the highest and purest desire for good and well-being for. We all have someone, or two, or three, or more, that we want the very, very best for. Whether they are on this path with us, or wandering to the beat of their own drummer, encircle them in light. Encircle them in that light of love. And silently whisper their names. Knowing as you whisper their names, they are protected in the love of God. Let my words be your words as we pray for them. See them all there in front of you. May you be filled with loving kindness. May you be happy and healthy. May you feel connected and calm. May you be free from suffering. May you live in peace. See them. See them for who they truly are. Like you, a child of God, heir to the kingdom, seeking the wonder of their own being. And now gently release them. Give them your blessing. Bring yourself back into the room. Maybe roll your neck a little, wiggle your fingers, gently shake your head. And now, open your eyes. Namaste, my friends. Namaste.